Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best socket set for mechanic in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best socket set for mechanic that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Neiko Master Impact Socket Set. Neiko sockets are composed of impact-resistant chrome vanadium steel, providing you the strength you need to release even the most stubborn fasteners. The kit contains shallow and deep sockets and extra attachments like extension bars and U-joint adapters to reach hard-to-reach fasteners. When not in use, Neiko sockets are safely stored in a heavy-duty blow mold container. It's great for getting from one place to another. Black phosphate is a coating applied to sockets to protect them against dirt, oil, and grease that might deteriorate their quality. Unlike the black oxide coating seen on other sockets, Neiko utilizes a superior black phosphate finish. Moving on at number 4, we have the Lexivon Master Hex Bit Socket Set. This 32-piece kit comes with a variety of SAE and metric bit sockets. Superior materials were used to create this product, resulting in enhanced torque and unequaled hardness. Wear-outs are reduced by drop-forged and heat-treated S2 alloy steel pieces, chrome vanadium steel sockets for improved turning force. With highly polished, chrome-plated mirror finish sockets with zinc phosphate bits treatment, the sockets are completely rust and corrosion resistant. With precision chamfered bit ends, insert smoothly. For easier identification, sizes are stamped on sockets and a heavy-duty storage box. At number 3, we have the GearWrench 1/4 inch drive socket set. If you already have a ratchet wrench, this simple 1/4 inch socket set should cover your basic needs. A handy storage rail keeps all the sockets organized and securely clipped into place, and large stamped sizes make them easy to identify. The off-corner loading design of these sockets reduce the chances of fastener rounding during use, and polished chrome finish resists corrosion. I've been using GearWrench tools for years, and have always been impressed with their quality and durability. At number 2, we have the MWK Milwaukee Tool Shockwave Impact Socket Set. Intended for use with a 3/8 inch impact wrench, these forged steel sockets are specifically designed to withstand the high torque of power tool applications. Their recessed and ink-filled size markings are large and easy to identify, and a dual-hole design allows for hassle-free attachments. A non-slip hexagonal shape helps prevent fastener rounding too, ensuring you always have a solid, secure fit while you work. In addition to the standard and metric sizes, this set also provides a socket adapter, impact extension, and universal joint. These aren't a practical choice for the occasional DIYer, but if you regularly tackle powered socket tasks, this is a great option. And finally, at number 1, we have the Dewalt Socket Tools Kit. If you really want to get serious about performing your own auto or motorcycle maintenance, look no further than this 168-piece Dewalt set. I've been using it for months, and have been impressed with the quality of the individual sockets and wrenches. It also comes with a supply of Allen keys, a case of screwdriver bits, and a full combination wrench set. The components fit nice and snug in the blow-molded case, but they're still easy to remove and insert without much effort. Despite the high number of pieces, the case maintains a very slim footprint, making it convenient to store practically anywhere.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.